Virtual commissioning is powerful, but what if you could actually experience your production process from the worker's perspective before anything has been built? With Siemens Process Simulate and the VR sequencer, that's exactly what we're doing. In this video, I'll show you how we define real assembly sequences that a human operator can perform directly in virtual reality. The scene, a manual workstation along a production line. The task, assembling a roller, step by following visual instructions inside the VR headset. Every movement, every component, every step is predefined in Process Simulate. The worker simply enters the virtual world and begins the process. But this is more than just a demo. It's a full simulation of real-world tasks. Are the movements intuitive? Are there ergonomic risks? Are the tools and materials accessible? With this approach, we can test efficiency, usability, and worker well-being before the first screw is turned in the real world. This is digital transformation with a human touch. And this virtual commissioning project is far from over. The digital twin keeps evolving. What about your process? Would you build it the old way or step into the virtual future? Let's bring your production to life, interactively, intelligently, and human-centered.